Howdy, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mr. Herring's 5th grade online math lessons. Today we will be having another lesson on measurement. We will be focusing on customary weight and mass. All right, so our objective today is we will be determining what tools are appropriate for customary measurement and solve problems by converting customary weight. We're focusing on the weight part today. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump in and get started. Talking about customary weight. For customary weight, we have ounces, pounds, and tons. Those are the three units we use for customary weight. 16 ounces is 1 pound. 2,000 pounds is 1 ton, right? And when we are converting them, to change from a large unit to a smaller unit, we're going to multiply still. And to go from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we're going to divide, all right? So that's all right here, helping us remember the strategies for the big small method, okay? I like to highlight 16 ounces is a pound and 2,000 pounds is a ton. That's important information right there. Let's take a look at that Star Grade 5 mathematics reference material, and we're going to focus on this section over here, which is customary weight and mass. We see that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds and 1 pound is 16 ounces. Remember, this is in our journal and we need to reference it every time we have a question concerning conversions of measurement. All right, so customary weight benchmark, just to kind of help us remember, what is an ounce and what is a pound and what is a ton. An ounce is about 1 ounce is about a slice of bread, give or take a little bit. It's close to a slice of bread. But a pound is 16 ounces or a loaf of bread. It could also be about the mass of a football or a large book. And then a ton is really close to the weight of a small car. And I'm talking real small car, like a Volkswagen Beetle, or maybe even the smaller Fiat or a smaller smart car. Okay. All right. So we're going to use the big small method just like we have been in class. Still focusing on the big small. So pounds are big, ounces are small. What do I know? We know that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. So if I have a small, I'm looking for a big, and 15 is a small number. How do I find a big number? We multiply. How many ounces in 1 pound? And that answer is right here. So it's 16. So then as I multiply 15 times 16. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Put my 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 0. 240 ounces equals 15 pounds. Okay. Next one we have is 3 tons equals how many pounds? Tons are big. That means pounds are small. I'm looking for a big number again. We multiply. How many pounds equals 1 ton? And that answer is here, 2,000. So 3 times 2,000. So 2,000 times 3, 0, 0, 0, 6,000. So the answer is 6,000 pounds. All right, last one in this model. We have 320 ounces equals how many pounds? Which one is bigger, pounds or ounces? That's right, pounds are bigger, ounces are small. So this time I'm looking for a small number because 320 is the big number. How do I find a small number? We divide. What am I dividing by? How many ounces equal a pound? That answer is 16. So I'm dividing by 16. Well, 16 divided into 320. 16 goes into 3 0 times. 16 goes into 32 2 times. Bring down the 0. 16 goes into 0 0 times. So the answer is 20. All right. Again, same strategy as yesterday. We're still focusing on the big small method. All right. So let's look at it this way. Okay. Customary weight. 23 pounds is how many ounces? Pounds are big, ounces are small. So I'm looking for a big number. When I'm looking for a big number, we multiply. Again, 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. So here, 16 ounces, so multiply by 16. So 23 times 16, 6 times 3 is 18. So 23 pounds is 368 ounces. All right. Tons are big, pounds are small. I'm looking for a big number. How do I find a big number? We multiply. How many pounds in 1 ton? The answer is 2,000. So 6 times 2,000. 6 times 0 is 0. 0, 0, 12. So the answer is 12,000. All right. This time we have 15 tons is how many pounds? Pounds are small, tons are big. Again, looking for a big number. How many pounds in a ton? The answer is still 2,000. So we multiply by 2,000. So 2,000 times 15. 15 times 0 is 0. 15 times 0 is 0. 15 times 0 is 0. 15 times 2 is 30. So the answer is 30,000. All right. 352 ounces is equal to how many pounds? Ounces are small, pounds are big, so I'm looking for a small number. How do I find a small number? We divide. How many ounces in a pound? The answer is 16. So 16 divided into 352. 16 goes into 33 0 times. 16 goes into 35 2 times. Gives me 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. Bring down the 2. 16 goes into 32 again 2 times. 32, 0. So the answer is 22 pounds. All right. Again, nothing has changed. We use the same strategy for every type of measurement. Okay. Last slide here. How am I going to compare them using less than, equal to, or greater than, equal to, or less than? Write my conversion. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. Remember, we're always converting the big unit to the small unit. So pounds are bigger than ounces. So 8 pounds equals how many ounces? Pounds are big, ounces are small. I'm looking for the big number. How many ounces in 1 pound? The answer is 16. So 16 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So 8 pounds is 128 ounces. So 130 ounces is larger than or greater than 128 ounces. All right. Let's convert 16 or change. Let's compare 16 tons to 32,000 pounds. Tons are bigger, pounds are small. I'm looking to change the big number into the big unit into the small unit. So 16 tons equals how many pounds? Tons are big, pounds are small. I'm looking for a big number. We find that by multiplying. How many pounds in a ton? The answer is 2,000. So 16 times 2,000. And you know that I'm going to take a shortcut here. I know that 16 times 0 is going to be 0. 1, 2, 3 times. 16 times 2, 16 plus 16 gives me 32. So the answer is 32,000 pounds. So 16 tons is equal to 32,000 pounds. So they are equal. All right? And that's how you do converting customary weight. All right? The next lesson, we will start our focus on the metric units. All right? Same strategy. It's a lot easier because you're just moving the decimal. But we'll be continuing with metric units next. If you have any questions, please come see me in the morning or after school, guys. Good luck. We'll see you.